So this problem asks us to write a Python program that calculate and print the final amount of t years. The formula is given here. So first we can type the given values like p equals 10,000, then n equals 12, and r equals 8%, which is 0.08. And for the unknown t value, which is here, I will prompt the user for numbers of years using the input statement and save the value to the variable t input. So like t input equals input. Please enter the number of years t that the money will be compounded for, colon. And since this value is a string type, so I will convert the string to float and saving the value to variable t, so which is t equals float t input. Alright, then we can like copy the formula which is given here. And then we can print the final amount of after t years is, comma, and we will put a, which is like, which represents the formula here, and then we can save this file, save as, to my desktop, which is homework 2.5 at YouTube homework.py. Save, and then we can run this program. So it asks us to enter a number of years t that the money will be compounded for. So I will insert the number 5, and it will tell us the final amount after 5 years is $14,898.457. So that's it.